Hi, my wonderful students. I just want to give you an overview of what the expectations are for this module, which will explore culturally responsive uh, teaching. Okay? And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read Soltero's chapter. It's chapter 2 this week. It's rather lengthy, so we don't have a discussion. I repeat, we don't have a discussion. So spend your time reading, okay, rather than discussing. And then there are two things that you're going to have to do in terms of content and application in order to show your learning on this module. The first one is going to be an exploration of the websites. These are 3 websites for schools that I have had an opportunity to either work in or work with in my professional career, so I know them intimately. If you have any questions about them, about the context, ask me, okay? And what I'd like you to do is apply 3 premises to 2 of the schools. Okay, so there's a chart here, okay, in which you'll name the school, talk about which one of Soltero's premises for ELLs you're exploring, and then what evidence of the premise from the website that you notice, and then in this opportunity, in this box, tell us a little bit about how you're evaluating, how you're assessing the culturally responsive evidence of culturally responsive school climate from that website only. Okay? How is it reflecting that? And the second thing you're going to do is, based on what you've read, what you've experienced so far in your program, informed by those things, you are going to come up with at least 3 action steps, 3 things that you would like to implement as a leader who is going to advocate and support English language learners, emergent bilinguals, emergent multilinguals in his or her school setting. Okay? Both of these assignments are very similar to assignments that are going to be part of the bigger assessment. And I know that. I'm not repeating assignments. I'm modeling assignments for you so you can get some work out the kinks and the questions that you have as you go about this process. So when it comes to the application of a bigger ticket item, as that assessment is, in which you're working and which you're observing in schools, you'll have the ability to do that in a much smoother fashion. Okay? So think critically about culturally and responsive school climates. As you're looking at these websites, as you are looking at as you're thinking about your action steps, think about how are you supporting culture? How are you conceiving of culture? Is it something that's just going to be surface culture with holidays and heroes, or is it going to be something a little bit deeper? And how are you going to be able to address that with your students? So it's a supportive learning environment for them. Give me a shout out if you have any questions. I'm on the other side of this screen, somewhere in the other sphere. Okay? Talk to you soon.